Hey guys, welcome to second tutorial of HTML5. So we left this. This is markup. Basically, this just markup tags. Just defining your HTML document. But to a web browser, this can actually mean something. Let's look at it as it appears. So this happens to be a file. If you want to view it, you can open with. Let's open it as Notepad. This is what we created. If you followed the other video we had, this would be the end result of your HTML document. Yeah, so the next part of this tutorial is to show you how it did work in a web browser and how it will work if you view it on another computer. Note, PC haven't yet made this responsive since it doesn't have so much content. It will kind of appear the same, but it's advisable to put the content responsive in a way that your web page or your website is viewed many different platforms in a more presentable and aesthetic manner. So yeah, let us see what it prints. Um so oh crap. It printed hello world and also the comment. What happened is um what we put inside our HTML document as text. Let me show you guys. Open with Notepad. Yeah, this section we didn't put an exclamation mark before, so that our HTML document, this line in our HTML document can be viewed as a comment. Therefore, it won't appear in the web browser. Let's try to open it again, and voila, hello world. Now the next part of our tutorial is I'm going to show you how basically to align this hello world in different sections of your page, um to line to give this hello world a different color, and maybe put a header and several things. So I'm going to show you a few other new tags you haven't seen before. So notice you have a p tag. The p tag here means paragraph. So before paragraph, logically you need to have a header. So there are levels of headers in a HTML document. Font size and how big character is in terms of the level of header. If you use, let's say, level 1 to level 6. If you use header 1, that's the topmost of header. Let me show you. And then you write first web page, and then view a page. Look, first web page. So if you want to put this first web page in the center, open it. Okay, I want to open it again so that you don't have to open it again over and over again, just reloading the page. This time you're going to do Sublime Text. Note, it doesn't matter the text editor, all that matters is the knowledge. So let's use a different editor like Sublime Text. So the difference between Notepad that is basic most computers is that Notepad does not color code. Sublime text brackets and other text editors like Notepad++, color codes for you, and most of them autocomplete. Let's say you want to have a tag like H. See, the 6 levels appear. Okay, we want a H2, and when that H2 have an attribute. Note, align is an attribute. That align attribute allows us to align our content to the center of our body tag. So our body is where everything is contained. So if you align center, it will align center of the wrapper. This body in our case is the wrapper tag, the wrapper tag. So it wraps all this stuff up. Consider closing HTML tag and opening and closing HTML tag as a box. So a box has an opening and it has a top and a bottom. So anything inside it is contained inside the box. So the body is the box, and whatever is inside the box is contained in the box. So when you align center, you align center into the box, right? So center, let's say uh, this. This will be my start. And to view his page, Sublime Text is an option. Just right click and open in browser. We won't do that because we already opened it in the browser. So what we're going to do is reload it, and actually it aligns to the center. What you'll note is that um, as for now, it's kind of responsive because it changes. There are going to be scenarios where you won't be able, things will not just be able to appear well in all types of screens. So you'll need to optimize this. Let's call it star format. We need to optimize the HTML document to fit different platforms. Okay, so that's the align attribute that introduces the other attribute I'm going to introduce is the style. So basically the style attribute is a little bit beyond what we should be discussing now, but I just want to change the color of our text. So the style tag is an inline style. We're going to look at CSS later. I'm going to show you different types of CSS styling. So style, you can use a property known as color, change the color of your text and give it, let's say, a red color. Or you can mix the RGB colors and mix them using different specifications. You can also have a color attribute and use hexadecimal number. Do several things. Let's give it 7. Hexadecimal way of representing colors is a good way because you can present more colors and you can create colors that you don't even know knew existed. So yeah, open in browser. Yeah. Oh, selected color orange. Let me change character. Let's see, like 8. And then you can see, there. Open browser. It's a different color. You can see it. Light one, you can't see it. But let's work with blue. something everybody can relate to. Opening browser, it's blue, and you can put a tag that also existed in HTML 4.01. You can use the U tag. Basically, the U tag is just the underline. Yeah, so that will be your first HTML page that has simple that. And also, you can copy the same style attribute, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and you can change the color. Let's say yellow green, green. Yeah, and open in the browser, and okay, that's the color property. We need to put the background hyphen color that it could apply. So basically, you can see the text change and all that. Thank you guys. See you in the next part of our tutorial.